I'm going to explain the single product view process. So a user can go to the single product by clicking buy now, and this will go to that product single page. So in here, when the user click on this images, this image will appear in this will appear here, and here we have the product name, the original price, the after discount price, and the amount the customer going to save from this discount, and the percentage. And here we can increase the quantity, decrease the quantity. If we go minimum, if we go to 0, we will get this one. This you have reached the minimum. If we go to more than 20, we will get you reach the maximum. After that, we have the related items, and then after that we have the product details such as the brand, model, and the description. Now I will show you the process. Access a single product view page. Inside the home page, when the user click on this buy now button, inside this href tag, we can send get request. So in here I am sending a get request to single product view.php, and because of this get request, I can do a URL binding. So this is the variable name, and I am concatenating this variable to this product data ID. So when the user click on this buy now button, this single product view.php will get this URL binding, and it will go to this single product view.php page. So I show it to you. Buy now, here see single product view.php and this URL binding. So inside this single product view.php, I go the connection.php session started this session, and in here I am checking it said get where it said whether we have a get variable called ID. So if this exists, assign this ID to this PID, and then also take the session U and assign to this user variable, and this and in here I have written a SQL query. I want all of these data, all of these records from product table, and inner join with model hash brand, and then inner join with brand table, and inner join with model table where product ID is equal to PID, and then I'm taking the number of rows and from this product result set and assigning to this num, and checking if product num is equals to 1, show this design, this single product design, else I'm open up a script tag. Inside the script tag I am giving an alert something went wrong. So if this product exists, then fetch this product from this result set, fetch this product data from this result set and assign to this product data. And inside this head tag I have given the product title as the product data. Inside this product data we have the title. So inside this head tag we have this title tag. So this title tag I am giving the product title. So I will show it to you. In here, see, we have this title as the product name. Body tag, the first thing I have done is displaying the images. So to get the images, I wrote this query: select everything from product image where product image table where product ID is equal to PID, and then take that result set and assign this result set variable, and from that variable result set I am going to take the number of rows. So then after that I have created this if statement, and also in here I created a variable called image list, and this is an array. This image list is an array. In here I check if image number is not equal to 0, that means this product have images. So let's say if this product doesn't have images, then we will show this placeholders. So inside this if statement we have this loop, because one product have many images. So to get all these images I am using this for loop. So inside this for loop I am fetching each data from this result set and assigning to this image data. and this image data have this image path, and assigning this image path to this image list, and assigning this image path to this image list. And inside this for loop also we have this image tag, and this image tag will appear 3 times because in this result set we have in this result set we have 3 rows. So that means this for loop will iterate 3 times. So therefore it will this image tag will appear 3 times like this. So inside this image tag, first thing I have given the ID as product ID and this X value, and then the source as echo. I'm echoing this image list inside this bracket. Inside this bracket I have given this X variable, and this we have this on click image. So when this user click on this image tag, this function will invoke, and when this function will invoke, it will pass this X variable as a parameter. So inside this change image function I am accepting that parameter, and inside this function document.getElementID product image, and I am concatenating this ID with this product image, and I want to take the source of this element. So this element is a image element, this element. So I am taking this part from this element and assign to this variable, and then again using document.getElementById, I am taking this document.getElementById main image. That means I am taking this div element. So this is where the main image is going to appear when the user click on those images. So after that, inside this, using this main image, I am going to use the style background image style, the CSS style equal to URL, and inside this URL I am going to give this new image variable, and this new image variable contain this image source. So now I will show it to you. When the user click on one of these images, see this image will appear inside here. So after the image functionality, we come to the product details part. So in here, first thing I have done is given the product title, so this title. After that we come to the pricing part. So in here I want to show the original price, after discount price, and the difference between the original and the after discount price. So first time using this, inside this product data we have the price, and assign that price value to this price variable, and I am dividing price divided by 100 and multiplied by 10, and that value I am assigned to this add variable, and to get the new price I am adding price plus this add, and this value will assign to this new price variable, and to get the difference I am subtracting new price minus the original price, and then assign that value to the different variable. And after that, to get the percentage, I am dividing the difference with the original price and multiplied by 100, then assign to this variable. So in here, inside this first span I am showing the original price, then the new price, and then the difference and the percentage. So I will show it to you. So here we have the new price, and then this is the original price, and the amount that the user is saving, and the percentage. After the pricing, I am showing here the product quantity, and after the product quantity I want to show the seller's name, this person who's selling this product, so that person's name. So to get that information I am doing a search, select everything from users where the email is equal to product data users email. This will give us a result set, and I am fetching that result set. I am fetching the data from the result set and assign it to user data, and in here I am giving the user data only the seller's first name, so like this. After that we come to the quantity functionality. So in here we can increase the quantity like I showed you before, increase or decrease, and also we can give like this. We can manually add the quantity. So first thing is I'm going to show the increment function. So in this increment function I am passing the quantity to this function as a parameter. So inside this quantity increase I am accepting that parameter, and in here document.get element by id, input means this input field, and taking that input field and assign to this input variable, and then here I'm checking input dot value is smaller than to quantity. So if this is smaller than to this quantity, that means this smaller than to this 20 items, then the user can increment. So to do an increment, first thing is we have to convert this input value to a number or an integer, because this quantity this input field type is text. So here I am converting this using pass int. We can convert to integer. So in here I am converting input dot value to integer and increment by 1 plus 1, and then in here update the input dot value, assign the new value to the input dot value, else. So that means input dot value is equal to quantity, then say you have reached to the maximum value, and then here show the quantity, then in here assign input dot value, assign this quantity to input dot value. Then we have the decrement quantity decrement function. In here it is the opposite. In this if statement, input dot value is greater than 1. So if it is greater than 1, the user can decrement or reduce the quantity. Else, if the input dot value is equal to 1, then you have reached, then it will show the you have reached to minimum, and then show the input dot value assign. So then assign this 1 to input dot value. So in here if the user can't go below 1. So if we increment here to 20, see, you reach to the maximum. And then after that we have the check value. Check value means user can manually add the quantity in here. So in here when the user, in here instead of on click, I'm using on key up. So if the moment user press a key in the keyboard and release it, this function will be invoked, or this function will be called. So in here I am again passing the product quantity. So if you go to script.js, check value accepting that quantity, and if input dot value is smaller than or equal to 1, you must add 1 or more, and then give the input value, assign this 1 to input value, or else if input dot value is greater than quantity, then give this alert, insufficient quantity. After the quantity process, we have the buy now button, add to cart button, and add to watch list button. So when the user click on this will add to the watch list page. This product will add to the watch list page. So after that, this is the related item row. In here I want to show the related items to this product. So to do that, I am using router SQL query. So select everything from product where module has brand ID is equal to product module has brand ID, and I want to limit to 4. So there I will only get first 4 records. So then this result set, I'm getting the number of rows from this result set and assign to this related num. So there are many, there can be a lot of products. So to get all those products, I have to use this for loop. So in this for loop, I am fetching each data from this result set and assign to this related data. And in here again I want to get this data, this product images. So to do that, select everything from product image, where product ID is equal to this related data ID, and then here I am showing this inside this card. I am showing the image data related the image, the title, and the description. So if I go here, see, you will see this is the product image, the title, and the description. Now we have here two related products. After that, we have the product details. We have to give the brand, model, and the description. So in here, if you go down in here, I have given the product data, the B name, and product data, the M name. So this is the brand name, this is the model name. In here, I mentioned before, I give the model name as M name and brand name as B name. So after that, I am showing the description here. Then after that, we have the feedback box. So this functionality is still not added yet. So this is all for single product view page process. Thank you for watching.